So hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjati Creations. I'm super excited today to teach you how to make homemade Mod Podge. We will not only learn how to make homemade Mod Podge, but we'll also see two uses of homemade Mod Podge right here. So let us get started. You can take any old bottle, plastic or glass to store your homemade Mod Podge. You need any white glue. Where I'm using Fevicol, you can use any white glue and water. You also need a small container to hold it. So what we are going to do is you take a spoon, just take approximately, I'll just open the cap of the Fevicol. Like you need to remember the ratio very carefully in this case. Okay, if we are taking 2 spoons of Fevicol, we will take 1 spoon of water. So remember the ratio carefully. Okay, and take 1 spoon of water. Just mix it very well. You will find that it is going to slowly mix into a very transparent liquid like this. See, the Fevicol and the water has completely mixed. Now after you've made this, to store it for a long time, just fill it up. And keep the cap closed so that it is secured properly. So now you can see my homemade Mod Podge is ready. Let me quickly show you two uses of it. Now I have taken this MDF board. I have painted it black and white on one side. I have taken this decoupage tissue. This is a 3-ply tissue. Okay. Now I am going to remove 2 plies of this tissue very gently. And I will take my Mod Podge, apply a thin coat of it, just remove all the creases. We will apply one more thin coat of Mod Podge on top of this. And once this top coat of Mod Podge dries up, we'll remove the excessive amount of tissue. I will show you after the tissue dries up that how your coaster can get ready. Now while this is drying up, let me show you another use. Now I have made this beautiful clay hook. I have to secure the clay, so in this also I am putting a very thin coat of Mod Podge. So I am using the homemade Mod Podge here. Just put a light coat so that your clay can last long. And in the same way I am going to do up the frills of the Now this Mod Podge will help my clay work to stay secure for a long period of time. Now in this coaster the Mod Podge has dried up. I am taking a small piece of sandpaper and very delicately I will remove the excess amount of this. Just very delicately remove the excess amount of So in this way you can see that your lovely coaster is also ready. So we have done both these projects now. We've secured them using Mod Podge. Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye.